Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer from your main account to your trading account using your mobile application. So there are two ways. The first way is on your homepage, click on the bottom right assets. So from here you can see that we've got 70% in the main account and we've got 29% in the trading account. So let's click on USDT and move it from the main account to the trading account. We do this by clicking on USDT. Then from here you want to click at the bottom left where it says transfer, and you can see here it's telling you that you're moving it from the main account to the trading account. So go ahead and type in the amount that you want to transfer and click on confirm. So now you can go back to your assets to check if this has been done. It has already been done, but let's go ahead and check. So as you can see here, the main account is 0 and the trading account is 100%. And if we go to trading account, you can see that the USDT amount has changed to the amount that was previously in the main account. Now let's go ahead and show you the second way, which is pretty much the same thing. So as we did previously, you want to go to assets, and then from assets, as we previously went to directly to the coin, now you're just going to go at the top here where it says transfer, and then on this page you just search for the coin that you want. Once you search for that coin, you click on it, and then you can see here you're transferring from main to trading, and you just do the same process again by inputting the amount. We don't have any at the moment, but as you can see, you can put any amount that you want to, and then you just hit on confirm, and that's done for you. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and once again don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.